Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope all is well. Today, we are going to make amazing, crispy, and extremely tasty tandoori rolls. These are the tandoori rolls, which in my opinion are the best for your iftar main. And the best thing is that these can be prepared in a low budget. We have taken a few pieces of chicken, and in them so many of these extremely tasty rolls will be ready. I am sure after seeing their final look, you will get an idea how amazing these are, so you must try these in this iftar, in this Ramadan. If you liked the video, you must like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's start them first of all. We have taken a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil in it. As soon as the oil gets hot, add chicken to it. This is chicken with bone and it weighs 300 grams. For making these rolls, we have not used too much chicken. It is just a little, 3 to 4 pieces. Now we have to make the chicken light golden here. As soon as its color turns golden, add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Remember, not ginger paste, but garlic paste. Now again, mix it lightly. If you want, you can also use boneless chicken. It will become easier for you. Now we will add whole cumin seeds, ½ teaspoon of crushed red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon as per requirement. We will use coriander powder, ½ tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. We will mix these spices well. The tandoori rolls that we are going to make are amazing. They are very flavorful, and the interesting thing is that a lot of rolls can be made with just a little bit of chicken. Now we will fry this masala well with the chicken for 1 to 1.5 minutes. Now we will add curd to it. We have added 2 tablespoons of curd here. We will mix the curd well with the chicken. Even after mixing the curd, the chicken will remain in the oven. We have to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes so that all the water of the curd dries up. Now we will add 1 cup of water to it. Obviously, these are big pieces of chicken, so we have to cook them too, so we will add water. After that, we will cover the chicken and cook it for 8 to 10 minutes. If it is chicken with bones, it will take 10 minutes to cook. We have to cook it on medium-low flame because we have added 1 cup of water. By the time this water dries up, the chicken will also become soft. 10 to 11 minutes have passed. If we remove the cover, then this is the situation that almost all the water has dried up and the chicken has become very tender. Now, when the chicken is cooked well, take out all the chicken pieces in a separate plate and separate their bones, and we will separate the bones and shred them into fibers. If you are using boneless chicken, then you won't have to separate the bones. Then the chicken pieces have to be shredded here. All the chicken has been separated from the bones and its shreds have been removed. We have put it again in the pan. We will take vegetables. Here we have taken 2 capsicum, 1 carrot, and 1 cup cabbage. We have cut all 3 into small fine pieces. Very big vegetables are not cut and put in the rolls because they look very odd. If we do small fine cutting, then the rolls will be that much finer. Now we have not cooked the vegetables too much here. We have to saute them for just 1 to 1.5 minutes with the chicken. And now we will add 1 tablespoon of tandoori masala here. With this, our chicken stuffing will become very flavorful. Its flavor will be very enjoyable. We will mix it well. We will add a little more again and mix the green coriander well, and now we will add ketchup to it. We have used 2 tablespoons of ketchup. I am using ketchup here because of the kids. If you like spiciness, then you can use 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, but I will only use ketchup. We will mix it lightly, and this amja, it is ready, so just turn off the stove and keep it aside to cool. As soon as the whole mixture cools down, transfer it into a large bowl. Now add boiled mashed potatoes, which is 1 cup. Take 2 large potatoes, boil them, and then mash them completely. We have used 2 slices of bread. Break them and add them here. I am breaking the bread slices and adding them here because we have to mix it anyway, so it will mix well. But if you use breadcrumbs, we have to mix this whole mixture. We have made the chicken stuffing. Now add the mashed potatoes and the bread slices. Mix them all lightly. We have mixed this mixture well. The chicken stuffing, potatoes, and bread slices have all mixed well. Now keep it aside. Next, make a slurry, and for that, in a bowl, we have taken half a cup of flour and 2 tablespoons. Mix corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and now add water little by little and make a thick slurry. I will check how thick it should be. Do not add all the water at once. Add water little by little and the slurry should be this thick. Now keep this on the side. Now we have to make rolls. To make the rolls, first apply oil on your hands because this mixture is obviously sticky, so it does not stick to your hands. Then we have to give it the shape of the roll, and when oil is applied on the hands, then this mixture does not stick to the hands and the shape of the roll will also come out well. So just take a little amla here and make a roll. We do not make very big size rolls because now we have to coat it as well. There are breadcrumbs, so we will keep it a little medium size, and then we will make all these rolls. We have prepared all the rolls here, and now we will coat them. For coating, first of all, we will dip them in the flour slurry which we had just prepared. After dipping in the slurry, now we will apply breadcrumbs on it, and we have applied breadcrumbs nicely on it. So here one roll has been coated. Similarly, we have coated all the rolls with slurry and breadcrumbs. Now at this stage, if you want, you can freeze them in the freezer. You can keep them in advance, and at the time of iftar, just take them out and fry them. The method of freezing is to put them in any airtight container and freeze them in the freezer for 2 weeks. You can easily freeze them, but I have to make a video here, so I will fry them right now. For frying, we have heated the oil on medium flame. As soon as the oil gets heated, we will add the tandoori rolls in it. Now, do not touch them at all for the first 2 minutes so that they become firm, and the sides have to be changed only after 2 minutes. So, by changing the sides, we have to fry them properly from all the sides so that they get a nice golden brown color. As soon as the space is created, I have also included the major rolls in it. Now, basically, there is no need to cook them much, just a simple top layer. We have to make them golden and crispy. So it will take us 6 to 7 minutes, and all our tandoori rolls will get fried nicely. Well, here our tandoori rolls are getting fried. So, till then, I will give you a tip. Suppose if you want to make them in more quantity, then increase the quantity of boiled potatoes a little bit. I have used the potatoes here. If you want, you can use 3 to 4 potatoes with this much chicken and vegetable stuffing. Then your rolls will get a little more in quantity. So here our tandoori rolls have been fried, and when we take them out of the oil, they are ready here. Excellent, amazing, very wonderful, and crispy tandoori rolls. Literally, these are very tasty. They are so flavorful. I hope when you try them, you will want to make them again and again, and the most interesting thing is that you should make them once and freeze them in the freezer. Make a little more quantity and freeze them in the freezer. Then, take them out 15 minutes before iftar and lightly deep roast them and then fry them. Here, with just a few pieces of chicken, a lot of our tandoori rolls are ready and their flavor is amazing. They are extremely tangy. I am serving them with ketchup here because I think it makes the best combination with ketchup. I will even let you break a roll and check it. Check it. Its upper layer is very crispy, very crunchy, and with the best stuffing inside. This amazing roll of ours is ready. You should definitely try it and give us feedback as to how your rolls are made. With this, we end the video here. If you liked our video today, then it is mandatory to subscribe to the channel and also like and share the video. Thanks for watching the video.